Yeah, and just keep thinking about it. It's the size of a size 3 football, which was always the prize at primary school because they were brilliant. Okay, it's the size of a softball now.
Alex, what's your problem? Tell me your condition.
Got hiccups.
Okay, it's a tennis ball now. Okay, a cricket ball. Is that smaller than a tennis ball?
Yeah. I think it is.
What's next?
Squash.
Golf ball? Squash? Squash.
Yeah, there's a big leap though, isn't there?
It's a bit of a leap.
Maybe a... No, that's bigger. I was thinking a bowling ball.
My balls?
One of them's quite large
One
though.
of them.
Yeah, marble. One of those big ones with the flecks in it. Yeah. It's now a ball bearing.
Do we go down to a
And now it's
Buckminster
another ball
Fullerene?
bearing.
With a smaller diameter.
Okay, now it's moved on to those cake decorations. Those silver balls. Could be another size of ball bearing.